What's up everyone, hello and I welcome you to Talk with RD. In today's video we are going to discuss about another very prestigious coding competition organized by Google, that is Google Code Jam 2021. I am going to tell you about this four most important thing in my video, that is what actually is Code Jam is, how it works, means how the candidate are shortlisted and how and what type of rounds are there, and third the registration dates and how to apply, and at last a gift for you, that is the previous year question paper which you can practice and see your level in a DS algo part and all those things, and can get a basic understanding about what type of questions are actually asked in Code Jam. Okay, so let's start from the first one, that is what actually is Code Jam is. So Code Jam is one of a three competition that Google holds for participants of all the skill level. Like Code Jam is Google longest running global coding competition where programmers of all the level put their skill to the test. Okay, so competitors work their way through a series of online algorithm puzzles to earn a spot at a world finals. And all which is all for a chance to win the championship title and a money prize which is like $15,000 and a small prizes for runner-ups as well. So that's a Code Jam is. Let's see how it's going to work, how the candidates are selected for the online coding rounds and what kind of rounds is there. So in a second part, that is how it works. So now if we see how the Code Jam actually work, so there is a first online qualification round which lasts for almost 27 hours, but you can complete it before that depending upon your consistency and problem solving skill. Once you qualify the minimum point, then you move to round 1, where the round 1 is divided into further 3 subs round, and there they will choose top 1500 participants to the other round for competing in other round, that is round 2. From where they will choose top 1000 contestant for the next round, that is round 3. Here you will earn a limited edition Code Jam t-shirt. Now after that, now from there they will choose top 25 contestant for their on-site world finals, where they will compete for 15,000 money prize, like $15,000 and a championship title. So now that was criteria for the money and t-shirt. Now how to earn certificate? So even if you able to compete or can pass any round, from there you will get certificate of participation, which is like this, as you can see in a screen. So that was how it works. Now if you see it's a registration date, we move on to third part, right? So this is a complete chart. If you see, their registration will open on 16 February 2021 at 1900 UTC, and it will remain open till 28 March 2021 at 2 UTC. So you can see that the dates is very close. And if I saw you that how to register for it, and let me jump into the website for that. So this is their website, that is codingcompetition.withgoogle.com/codejam. So form is not open yet. It will open on 16 February 2021. It's not a big issue. You just need to sign in with your Google account and fill their form, which is very easy process. It's not a big issue to register for it. Once you have registered, they will confirm it by sending you an email, and will send you the respective details in an email only. So friends, if I tell you about an interesting fact about Code Jam, he is Gennady, Mr. Gennady, and he tops the Code Jam from past 4 to 5 years in a continuous manner. So he's a very tough competitor to other. So that was an interesting fact. Now if we move on to our last part, that is the previous year question paper, which I have like previous year links, question links which I have inserted. So here it is. So friends, that question is designed by one and only, that is Google engineers, so its level is going to be very high. So you must excel yourself in DS Algo, and even if you are preparing for a job or interview at Google, then such competition give you a clear idea about what kind of questions are actually asked in their interview. So if I take you to the website, so here it is. So here it is. So link is in description. So it's a competition archive, and you can see Code Jam 2020, Code Jam 2019, 2018, 2017, 2016, and many more are there. You can just explore. Okay, if I click 2020, then what we can see, the question is loading. So yeah, here it is. So Gennady, Mr. Gennady first. Okay, so if I click onto the online qualification round 2020, what kind of question are there? So just drag it. So if I open the problem, so it's a 7-point problem, and here it is a problem designed by Google engineers. Okay, so you can just read the problem and try to solve it in a efficient amount of time with great complexity. So you can explore it a bit, and there are many questions as well which are present there. So link is in description, just check it out. That was all about CodeJam 2021, how it will going to work. So I have given you a complete information about CodeJam. Just give it a try, just solve the questions and make a try, and I wish you all the best and wonderful journey ahead. So thank you and bye bye guys.